Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials so fixes aren't wasted. Check iOS and storage. Update if outdated because system fixes often include Siri patches. Make sure Siri is enabled in settings. Right arrow Siri and search, then enable listen for Hey Siri and press side button for Siri. Restart your phone to clear temporary glitches. Finally, open voice memos and record a short clip to verify the microphone works. This separates mic problems from Siri settings. Once done with basics, troubleshoot deeper. Turn Siri off, wait 10 seconds, then turn it back on to refresh its state and retrain Hey Siri when prompted. This rebuilds voice models. If Siri reports network errors, reset network settings to clear DNS or VPN conflicts. Make sure you know Wi-Fi passwords first. Also grant microphone and Siri access to relevant apps in privacy settings. If a specific app won't respond, reinstall it to refresh permissions and integrations. To finish, apply final fixes. Update all apps and the iOS build, then test Siri again. If failures persist, back up and restore your iPhone from a recent backup to reset system-level preferences. Make sure you've tried network and Siri resets first. If Siri still fails to hear or respond consistently, suspect a hardware microphone issue. Test mics in camera and voice memos. If those fail, contact Apple support or schedule a Genius Bar visit. That single step resolves many persistent problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.